Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to do the Pebble Stitch. It is a reversible pattern, so it'll look the same on both sides. So to get started, you will want to do multiples of 2 plus 1. In this video, I'm just going to do a quick 10 chains plus 1. And you will need to know how to do a double crochet and a treble crochet. If you need help with those, you can find down in the description below links to how to do those types of stitches. So I have my 10. I'm going to do one more chain, and then the second chain from the hook, you want to go ahead and do your double crochet. So insert your hook, pull through one loop, pull through 2 loops. And the next stitch will be your treble crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 1, 2, and 3. And this will be our repeating pattern through the whole process. So a double crochet, then a treble crochet, double crochet, treble crochet. And you will always want to end your work with a treble crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 1, 2, and 3. And go ahead and give your tail a little pull. You can kind of see how it's coming along. So the next row, we will do a 1 chain, and we will do a double crochet, followed by a treble crochet. And just like row 1, we will just continue to repeat this. Double crochet and a treble crochet. Now throughout this project, every row will always start with a double crochet and end with a treble crochet. If you end up getting stuck, always note that when you're on your next row, you can see how this is coming along. And you want to make sure that you always start your next row with a chain 1. But as you can see, what you'll end up doing is where you have a double crochet from the previous row, you will do a treble crochet. And if you have a treble crochet on the previous row, you will do a double crochet. It's just alternating between those. Really easy. This is our Pebble Stitch. Super fun. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a like, and I hope you have a happy crochet day.